I had a super fun Christmassy day out in London today. I started my day off as I normally do though, sorting the dogs out. I made myself a coffee, I journaled, had to share this Mother Teresa quote. It just really resonated with me. I really like how they put a quote at the top of every page in my journal. Gave the doggies their advent calendar and then I headed upstairs to get ready. Didn't go too crazy with my makeup today, just a nice base and then just lots of mascara, big eyelashes. Then this is the outfit that I wore. I just went for my Tommy jeans jumper and some really baggy Ragged Priest jeans. I also think this sofa needs to live in the utility room from now on. Shadow is honestly loving it. Here is me getting the train to London. I quickly stopped off for some lunch. Then I went to a very, very exciting meeting. Like, really exciting. All will be revealed next year. Then I jumped in a cab to Battersea and I went to DNA VR. It's a VR experience where you get to like walk around, so it genuinely feels like you're in the game. We did a zombie shooting game and oh my god, it was absolutely hilarious. Highly recommend if you're in the area. Then we had a mooch around Battersea Power Station, grabbed some drinks and then went to La Bab for dinner. Oh my god, that was so spicy. When I got home I hid from Shadow because I love doing this game with him. He found me so quick this time. And then ending my night, as I pretty much always do, with cuddles on the sofa with the doggies. They're so cute.